In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Google Photos using mobile data. If you want your pictures and videos to back up right away, even when you're not on Wi-Fi, this walkthrough is for you. We'll turn on mobile data backups and fine-tune how much data the app can use, so you stay in control of your plan. Start by opening the Google Photos app on your phone. At the top right, tap your profile picture to open the account menu. From there, choose Photo Settings. Next, go to Backup. Inside Backup, look for mobile data usage and tap it. This is where you decide how Google Photos handles uploads when you're on cellular instead of Wi-Fi. Now let's enable mobile data backup. In mobile data usage, turn on the switch for backup using mobile data. You'll also see separate options for photos and videos. Turn on photos if you want your pictures to upload over mobile data. Turn on videos if you're okay with video uploads using your cellular plan as well. Once these are on, Google Photos will start uploading new items even when you're away from Wi-Fi, so your latest memories are protected sooner. You can also choose how much mobile data the app is allowed to use each day. If you pick Unlimited, Google Photos can upload everything over mobile data, which is the most convenient but can use a lot of data, especially for videos. If you choose a limited amount such as 5 MB, 10 MB, or 30 MB per day, Google Photos will upload until it hits that daily cap and then wait for Wi-Fi to continue. This is a good way to prioritize recent photos while keeping data use predictable. Selecting No Data disables mobile uploads entirely, which means backups will wait until you're on Wi-Fi. A few important things to keep in mind as you choose your settings. Mobile data backup can consume a lot of data, particularly with high-resolution videos. If your cellular signal is weak, uploads may pause or move slowly, and larger files can take longer to process. Depending on your mobile plan, charges may apply, so it's smart to match these settings to what your plan allows. And if you ever change your mind, you can revisit the same mobile data usage screen to turn backups off or adjust the daily limit at any time. That's it. With these settings in place, your photos and videos can stay safely backed up, even when you're on the go and away from Wi-Fi.